Today I'm going to show you 3 meals that are cheap, easy and quick. That's the trinity of home cooking. And all of them by using leftover chicken salad, and each will take less than 30 minutes to do. And the last one is my favorite by far. Ready? Let's cook. I'll start by showing you how I make one of my favorite chicken salads. It's a staple in my kitchen, especially during the summer months. It's refreshing, super tasty, and pairs perfectly with a cold beer. Juice. To make my mayo, in a jug, I'll add one whole egg. I used to try with just the yolk, but using the whole egg means no waste and the result is just as good. Now I'll add the acids. Lemon juice, white wine vinegar, a little bit of cold water to thin it out a little bit, pinch of salt, and the oils. Avocado oil is my favorite, but you can use any neutral flavor oil you want. And a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil, just to add a little extra layer of flavor in there. Place your stick blender in the bottom on low speed, and when the mayo starts to form, slowly pull the blender up, increasing the speed until all the oil is emulsified. Give it a little taste for seasoning and add some salt if needed, and a little water if you want to thin it out. Mine is just as I wanted. Now I'll prep all my ingredients for the chicken salad. I'll small dice an onion and dice my spring onion. I'll use only the bottom part, as that is where most of the big flavor is. And I'll chop my pickles, and that will add some tartness to our salad. I like a bit of crunch, so I will toast some peanuts for a couple of minutes on a pan, and this will activate its flavor, or will be just bland. And when done, I will roughly chop them. You can use any nuts you like here. I have some poached chicken that I cooked in salted water with some garlics and bay leaves, deboned it and broke it, and added to a bowl. I'll add my mayo in, and place the onions and spring onions, the pickles, the peanuts, some oregano for herby flavor, and the diced bacon. This bacon I just cooked in the oven for 25 minutes until it was nice and crispy, and broke it into small pieces when it's cooled down. And I'll mix everything together. I'll taste for seasoning and add some salt if needed. It's good now. And to finish, I'll add a little lemon juice for some freshness. With our chicken salad ready, let's cook our first meal. In a pot with boiling water, I'll add 3 pinches of salt and cook my pasta. The packet says 5 minutes, so I'll cook it for 4. I know I'm a rebel. When cooked, drain and place in a bowl. Give it a good drizzle with good extra virgin olive oil. Portuguese olive oil, use that. The garlic paste and Parmesan cheese. And finish with a touch of oregano. Mix and add your chicken salad on top with the lemon slice on the side. Chicken salad pasta, delicious and ready in 15 minutes. A little taste. Just delicious. You can't go wrong there. Creamy, cheesy, wow, amazing. But now let's move on to our second dish. I'll start with the flour tortilla. I'll spread a good dollop of spicy mayo. I just use my mayo, on which I mixed a little bit of sriracha in it to spice it up. Some crispy lettuce, slice of bacon, some caramelized onions, and this is my version of it. I'll leave a link for you to check it out. And a little cheese. I'm using a mix of mozzarella and parmesan. Top up with the chicken salad and roll the tortilla, closing the ends, and fry it in a buttered pan till golden brown on both sides to melt the cheese. 5 minutes on low-medium heat should do the trick. And when ready, slice it open and delight at this chicken salad wrap that was so easy, anyone can make it. It's incredible inside. Let's give it a taste. Crunchy, salty, creamy, just amazing. What's not to love? And to have this quickly made midweek dinner, just fabulous. Only one left to go. And to finish off, my personal favorite of all 3 of them. In a container with hot water, I'll place lasagna sheets to soften them, just for 20 seconds. Remove and drain, and in the center, place some chicken salad. I'll top up with some crispy onions and a little red pepper paste. Again, this one is homemade. You can do it easily, just check in the description to know how. Top up with some cheese, mozzarella and parm. Roll the lasagna sheets and place them in a tray. Why is this one my favorite, I hear you ask? This dish is super simple, uses a lot of things I always have on my fridge, and just on a personal level is the one I like eating the most. I am a super basic person, I know. Drop some more of the red pepper paste on it, spreading it, and top it up with mozzarella and parmesan cheese. Drizzle some olive oil on the top, placing it in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until golden brown. And when ready, remove and let it stand for 5 minutes before eating it. But I really love this chicken salad fake cannellonis. Let's taste it. Quick show how they look inside. Incredible. Let's taste it. 100% my favorite. The red pepper paste elevates it in a way that it just makes the whole dish have a whole variation of flavors going on. And it's just incredible. Who doesn't love crunchy cheese on top of their food? Not me for sure. and this one is just delicious. And these are all meals that took 15 to 30 minutes each to prepare with minimal cooking. Running low on time? Do one of these dishes. You won't be disappointed. But tell me, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments which one do you like the most. Or have you have any other idea of what to use chicken salad? What dish would you do with it? And these are 3 great uses for chicken salad. But if you look deeper, there are many other ways to use leftover chicken. Here, I show you a very quick meal that you can do with any leftover chicken you have. I will see you there. Bye!